On today's video, we have the Kiss Gel Allure Fantasy new medium length. New medium length. And it is very, very glittery. And it is square shaped, ready to wear, sculpted nails. A 7-day wear. This pack was $12.99 at my local beauty supply. Glue included, 28 nails. Let's get into this look. Oh, so they brought back the thick glue. You can see here. All right. Let's see. So of course we are going to have, it comes with a file and it comes with a stick. Previous nails, so I'm going to just use the file and the toothpick from the old ones and just keep this one in the pack. The glue, I will probably just use the previous glue that I have as well. Okay, so let's get these filed down. Sir. Comment down below when is a good day to post, what day and what time. My analytics says Saturday and Sunday. Well, right now it says Saturday and Sunday, and I've been posting every Friday. So you just let me know in the comments down below when is a good time. What are you guys are on and you want to watch? Okay. All right. So of course we're gonna do our measurements. Really can't see.
don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
All right, so like I did with the other ones here, I'm going to file down this right here. Some of the glitter part of it is over on the edges. These nails are a bit smaller in size. That's what they look like to me compared to the other nails. But this, all right, so this is the final result here, y'all. Very cute, very sparkly, very glittery, very glitter. Yeah, so I like them. Comment down below what you think. And if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.